Today I'll show you how to create your own Flash token for learning and testing purposes. This tutorial is only for education to help you understand how smart contracts work, how tokens are deployed, and how Remix and MetaMask are used together. After crafting the tokens, they can be uploaded to gambling sites such as Stake by sending them via a erc20 address. You can trade these tokens, but keep in mind they are only active for 90 days. We'll be working with Ethereum, so you'll need a small amount of ETH to cover deployment and test actions, 0.03 ETH to flash mint of 30,000 tokens, 0.05 ETH to flash mint of 50,000 tokens, 0.10 ETH to flash mint of 150,000 tokens. Now, install MetaMask. Add the liquidity you want. In this video, I will show you create with 0.05 Ethereum. Let's start the process. First, open the Remix website and create a new file. You can name it anything you like, for example, USDT.sol. Next, paste the smart contract code into this file. The link is provided in the description. Go to Solidity Compiler, select version 0.6.6, and click Compile. Once compilation is successful, move to Deploy and Run Transactions. In the Environment section, select Injected Provider, MetaMask. I recommend using MetaMask as it works best with Remix. After connecting, your wallet balance will appear. Now, enter your token name and symbol, Tether/USDT. Click Transact. Set the gas fee, round it to a whole number. The first transaction usually costs around $1 to $2. Wait for confirmation. Once confirmed, your contract address will appear. Copy it and open it on Etherscan to verify that the contract was deployed successfully. Next, open MetaMask and send your test ETH amount to the contract address, 0.05 ETH. That your contract address, which one created. Wait for the transaction to confirm. Refresh Etherscan. You'll see the contract is now funded. Go back to Remix. Your balance will now be visible. Click Start, set the max fee, and confirm the transaction. This action will mint the Flash tokens. Wait for the transaction to complete. After confirmation, the tokens are created successfully. Finally, click Withdraw, set the max fee again, and confirm. When the process is complete, your tokens will be transferred to your wallet. You will see 2 green check marks after the process is complete. After a few minutes, check your wallet. You'll see your Flash tokens there. If you face any issues, feel free to contact me on Telegram.